Hi friends, good evening. Hope you had a great weekend. As you are aware that TCS has given a buyback at 4,500. For us, TCS is definitely strong and however do not expect any big moves as it has already given a good reversal. One of course look for some intraday trades in TCS. Possibly we can look for buy if it tends to dip towards 3940 for a target of 4100 levels. Instead of giving views for the week, we have certain stocks which we thought we can help our friends to be cautious on this particular stocks. Example is UPL. We would suggest to short UPL. Uh, or we feel that UPL is bearish below 8015 levels and can retest 800 levels. So if anybody is looking to go long, wait for 798 levels to enter for a big move up to 8860. The other stock we thought we could caution is Cement. Cement, we observe that if you can see here, it has been moving downwards, and we suggest to again stay away from this counter as we see possible down move towards 980 levels, 985 levels. Possibly then yes, we can look to buy for a target of 1200 on the longer term. Sun Pharma is Sun TV is definitely looking very good. One can plan to buy Sun TV if it holds above 515 for a target of 540. Madapparam Suprajit is also another stock which we felt that one needs to be cautious before getting into this trade. A strong up move can be seen once it is able to hold above 440 and may retest the highs of 480. Manappuram, I'm sure is many people's favorite. We see a strong down move possibilities below 167 for a target of 155, 56 levels. JSW Energy, one may accumulate few stocks and as we see a big move coming in about 314 for a target of 330 levels. Ashok Leyland, we can expect a big move over 139 for a target of 148, 150 levels. And with a stop loss of 136. Reliance looks a little dicey. Is it suggest to stay away Reliance unless it is able to sustain above 2,560 levels. Ubera Reality has been extremely doing extremely good. One can easily look at the stock moving towards 1,000 high once again before any profit booking in the stock. We will be bearish in the stock only below 930, yeah, 950, 940 levels below 940. Here we see Sun Pharma. There is a possibility that the trend can reverse and move towards 940 in Sun Pharma. If it is staying below 855. Tata Motors also looks very dicey for us. Possible retest of 496 in the stock. If it is able to break out 512 levels, then a strong move towards 520. Or we may see a pullback towards 490 and then continue its uptrend towards 535, 540 levels. Titan, we are bearish in the stock, or we may see bearishness in the stock below 258.6 levels. Possible bullishness only seen above 2640. And then we can see